Greetings in the name of Yahuwah and his son Yahushua HaMashiach. My name is Malak Shalomo, and today is the 9th of February 2023. The time is approximately 11 o'clock, and I haven't done one of these in a while. This is a Forex trade review on Usdjpy. So, let's see here. What time was this? This was at 19:25 yesterday, right? So 7 p.m. yesterday, 7:25. I took this sell trade right here, but actually before I actually took a buy trade by mistake and I had to close it. So you see, and there's two red arrows right there, so I had to close one of those trades, which was a mistake buy. Let me try and make this bigger. But first, let me get into the money zone. So the money zone is in a lower value relationship, value area high at 131,404, and yesterday's value area was up here, value area high. Yesterday's value area low was approximately, let's see here, around 131,852. So this value area high is now lower than yesterday's value area low, approximately 131,400. So 404. So let's see here. Let's see what's the setup. So if it's a lower value relationship, if it opens below the value area high, let's see here. Let me try and make this bigger. Right, so if we open below the value area high, right? So I'm looking for like sells or shorts at this level, at the value area high, right? So once we opened here, I think this open was 131,451. So it was a little above the value area high, but then it immediately shut down and bounced around here a little bit, was trying to hold below. And so that's when I took this rejection here, and I took the sell right here at around 131,345. So that pulled back on me here above the value area high. We had this wick rejections, and I wasn't too worried about the pullback above it because we're in a lower value relationship, and it's Forex, man. So you're gonna get these little kind of, not little, but these how could I say it, like awkward movements or just like random movements, you know what I'm saying? Because we're dealing with central banks and currencies, so anything could happen, right? So like for example, look at this candle right here. This is just wiping out buy stops and short stops, right? So it's a crazy world in Forex. You gotta know what you're doing for real. So right, so after this we got up to, this is annual anchored VWAP right here. This is the upper band, right? This line right here had the wick rejections up here. So I added to the position short here again, right? So let's see, and I held this overnight. Let's see here, hold on. Right, so price action eventually, well, it did this crazy stuff here, broke below value area high. So now we're back in the value area, which is a lower value area setup. Had the rejection here at the test of value area high, broke the POC level, right? Retested it, retest here, and then this is the value area low. So we broke this level as well, had the retest on the value area low. Let's see, 1 second. Right, so retest of the POC level, breakdown of the value area low, the retest twice, pull down again, and then we got to annual anchored VWAP, right? So that's when I decided, I know, well, retail traders usually buy at VPOC, not VPOC, VWAP. So took a partial right here, took off most of the position, and then when it broke above here, this level, right? So you can see that's a pullback level. So when we broke above that pullback level, I just covered all my position there. So that was a nice little trade on USD JPY. And let's see here. Looking at the US dollar. And as you can see, the US dollar is kind of coinciding with that trade, right? So the value area high on the US dollar was an overlapping value relationship. This was the value area low from yesterday. So value area high is slightly higher than yesterday's value area low. And same kind of price movement. You see it kind of pull back here. Had this crazy kind of wicked out kind of candle. Retest like the POC area. Broke the value area low. So it's just looking at the US dollar and what it's doing, right? So, and as I was saying in my market analysis this morning, I'm looking for, let's see here, I'm looking for the US dollar to get support at this annual anchored VWAP, right? And so said, so done. And we got the push above, and now we're trying to get to like the mid and the value area low, right? So that's my little forex trade on USD JPY, and now I'm gonna go over and do a trade recap on AMD. All right, you all trade safe and stay blessed.